Hey, my name is Habib, and I am the founder and CEO of Lyyna, a startup which empower digital bank assurance through data. Bank assurance mean banks who sell insurance product. Many banks have been trying this for a while, however, rarely with a success. And the reason being, banking is quite different from insurance. Customer know when they need a bank product, and then they will go to their bank for a loan or credit card. And here, the bank they just need to deliver that service in efficient manner. However, insurance doesn't work that way. I never heard about a customer who wake up in the morning and say, "Hey, today I want to have home insurance." Never heard about that. Despite customer needing insurance, it's actually the insurance company who need to engage with the customer to offer them their product. And here the key success factor is that the insurance company need to engage at the right timing when the customer is open to buy the insurance, and they need to explain them why this offered insurance product is good for them. And for banks, it was very difficult to combine these two operating model in an organization. However, now with the rise of digital payment, this have changed. Banks have a lot of timely data, like payment, transfers. And this data give a lot of insight what is happening in the customer life. So by using this data, an insurance can detect the right moment to offer um, the insurance product. And then also by using this data, they can understand what is the risk exposure of a customer, and then they can offer him the right insurance product in a fact-based, data-driven manner. And this is something also what the customer wants. In fact, in many countries, customers have responded that they would prefer this method to the existing one, and they would also opt in that their bank are allowed to analyze their data to understand when it makes sense to offer them which insurance product. For this reason, we have built Lyyna. It's a SaaS platform which allowed digital bank assurance through data. And this is how it works. So a bank, when they partner with us, they will get the opt-in of the customer one time. And then when this happens, the bank can forward to the Lyyna platform in continuous manner the transactional data, and then they receive from, let's say, Visa or MasterCard in continuous manner. Lyyna will analyze this stream of data in real time for any insurance relevant event. Once an insurance relevant event is detected, then Lyyna will define if it makes sense to engage with that customer, and if yes, how best. In such case, Lyyna will inform the bank. It's actually the bank who will offer then the insurance product to the customer, and then the customer can buy the insurance digitally. So if until now what I just told you is abstract, let me walk you through a simple example to make it more concrete. Let's imagine a customer who pays for a bicycle with her credit card. So what happened? In real time, the bank get a transaction, let's say from Visa or MasterCard. However, the data what they get are quite cryptic. So the bank can pass this cryptic data to Lyyna. So what we will do, first we will try to understand based on AI what is this merchant basically who was involved in the transaction, what does he sell, to which price point. And then we will use our classification model to predict what could the customer have purchased. So if we now detect something which is insurance relevant, it goes to the next module, which is our engagement management engine. This basically banks will have access to a portal where they can define, let's say, for different transaction, for different, let's say, item purchased, for different customer segment, they can define other type, like for example, education level, income level, and so on. They can define different engagement strategies and how often should this engagement strategy be used to do some A/B testing. This information is then passed back to the bank, and it's actually the bank who will engage with the customer. So basically, from the customer perspective, few seconds after the purchase, they will or she will receive a notification from her bank. So what you see here is, let's say, the smartphone of the customer. She will receive then notification from her bank. So when she clicks, she will be now guided through the Lyyna platform. Well, first of all, she can see how her existing insurance contract cover bicycle, and if there is a gap, the right insurance product will be offered to her. She can see in very transparent manner what this offered insurance covers, and then she can pay for it. What happens then? Basically, Lyyna will generate a real-time insurance policy, and now the bicycle is well insured and the customer can enjoy the ride. It's important to mention what makes Lyyna unique. Basically, what we do is we digitalize the insurance advisor using the data. And our key capability is the ability to use the data to understand when we or a bank need to proactively engage with the customer and with which insurance offering. And this can be used, let's say, for the bicycle as the case which I showed, but also for all type of insurance products and life situation. As an example, when a customer expects a baby, typically they go more often to baby shop. We detect this change in payment pattern, and then we can help the bank to offer their customer a life insurance. Thanks a lot, and let's reinvent bank assurance.